Superrap is not just another plasti-dip. Stay tuned and I'll show you why. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Drive Talk Cars. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about how to save money by doing your own maintenance work, modifications, and other car related things, make sure you start now by clicking that subscribe button and a little notification bell. That way you won't miss out on anything. All right, so what is Superrap? Superrap is a peelable, sprayable vinyl wrap that produces a high gloss smooth finish with UV, chemical, and scratch resistance. It comes in black and it also comes in a color base. For mine, I have red, but it comes in a multitude of colors. It's been formulated to last up to 2 years on your vehicle. Now that depends on how you use your vehicle. If it's an off-road vehicle, if you have very harsh winters, so your vehicle sees a lot of salt, then that may reduce the durability of the product and you may not get up to 2 years. So you can use this product on your wheels, your calipers, your mirrors, your window trim, emblems, badges. However, they don't recommend using this on non-clear coated surfaces such as vinyl wraps, stickers, rubber, hard plastic or rough plastics, or any type of laminated plastic such as like the center caps on your rims. So what's in the box? All right, Superrap offers several different kits. The kit that I got was actually 2 different kits. I got the accessory kit for my black, and then I got the up to 17-inch rim kit. And that was suggested by Superrap to get the up to 17-inch kit instead of the accessory kit if you wanted to do 4 calipers. However, I didn't use both cans because it comes with 2 color and 2 base. I didn't use both cans, I only used 1. And I have big brakes, Brembo. So I have the 6 piston and 4 piston in the back. So you may not have to use that, but that's after doing 4 coats of the base and 4 coats of the color. So get what you want, but just a tip, you don't necessarily have to do the up to 17. It's a little bit more. So that kit costs $54.99 and then the accessory kit is $29.99. So let's unbox what I got. All right, so first thing we have are instructions. They give you one for your color and one for your base. Then we have prep. So basically the prep spray is to remove any contaminants that you may have on the surface area prior to spraying. Pretty good. I didn't have to use that much. So I actually used this for when I did the window trim and when I did the calipers. So this goes a long way. So for the black, you don't need any base coat. So in the accessory kit, you get 2. So I have 2 of those. All right, then also in my package, I've got the up to 17-inch wheel kit. So for that, it comes with 2 of each, the base coat and the color coat. For me, I didn't use but 1 of each, and this would be the equivalent to the 2 black accessory kit. So if you get the accessory kit, you would get, if you got it in black, you would get 2 of these, and if you got the accessory kit in a color, then you'll get 1 base coat, 1 color coat. And that's all that comes in the box. All right, so I use Superrap to do a chrome delete on my window trim, as well as the brake calipers on my E63 AMG. I have links to the videos down in the description where I go more in detail and depth on how to use the particular product, and you can see the results in the step-by-step of how to do that. The results were amazing, far surpassed my expectations. As you can see, I got really professional looking results, high gloss, and a smooth finish, especially on my brake calipers. Now on the window trim, I didn't get that much because it was my first time using it, and I didn't exactly do what is called wet coats, which means you pretty much put a lot down as you're passing by. But that's more of a user error, not the product, because on the calipers it came out amazing. It really looks like it was powder coated. All right, so what makes Superrap different than plasti-dip? So with Superrap, it has a 1-step application that provides a high gloss, smooth finish. It also uses automotive pigmentations, and it has a self-leveling agent in it that also is UV and scratch and chemical resistant. Plasti-dip, on the other hand, is not a one-step application, and it doesn't really smooth out like Superrap. It is more of a textured type of finish, and if you want to get a high gloss, you have to use a separate application which is called a glossifier. So therefore, you can't just simply spray it on and produce a high gloss finish. You have to have this glossifier, and this takes another 3 to 4 coats to get a shiny finish. That's why if you really want to do something that has a high gloss and a very professional finish, then you will want Superrap. All right, so the pros. The pros of Superrap is that it produces a great high gloss smooth finish, very professional looking. It looks just like paint or like you powder coated the calipers. It is removable. You don't have to have it on there forever. You didn't destroy anything. So if you want to change your mind, you don't want red calipers anymore, you just peel it off. It is cost effective. Comparing powder coating or taking it to a shop to paint or delete your window trim, or to do a vinyl wrap on either the window trim or the calipers or wheels or anything like that, it's going to cost you. I know for powder coating my calipers, a shop quoted me $1,200 bucks. I said, okay, thank you, I will not. And I did it myself. And the last thing is that it is a one-step application. You literally just spray it on and that's it. You don't have to do any glossifiers or any secondary clear coats. They do have a clear coat if you want to. That extends the life of the product, but you do not have to because the final results are very high gloss already. So the cons now are, it is a very time-consuming process. You have to do, for the black, I had to do 10 coats, 10. And you have to wait 15 minutes in between each coat. So that's like 2.5 hours worth of waiting. And for the calipers, you have to do 4 to 6 of the base and 4 to 6 of the color with 15 minutes in between. So again, that's like almost 3 hours of waiting, of just waiting, not even doing the spraying and prep and all that. But it is definitely not that bad considering the cost. So that's really the only con, is the amount of time you have to wait and the amount of coats you have to do. But it produces a great result. I definitely recommend this product. If you are a DIYer and you want to do something that sets your car apart from other cars, you want it to be kind of cost effective, then this is your product. Very professional results. It looks just like paint. One of my friends actually thought I painted them and had them powder coated. But when I told him it was a sprayable vinyl, he was like, what? So if you want to try some Superrap, I have a link in the description to the product that you can click on that and you can go straight to the product. Check out these other videos down in the description that's coming up on the screen, and I'll check you on the next video. Thanks. I'm out.